Alright, so all caught up with the end of part A. Now we are on to part B, which is steps 15 through 28. So we are going to start with the rear uprights. The next part will be actually attaching them with the dog bones and all that. So let's get into it. For part B, we do have to bust into bag B, of course, and we also need, looked like we are gonna need some of the pins, so. Alright, so I got the rear all together, dog bones in, uprights are on, everything is connected. So the next piece is the rear bumper, and then it looks like we start on some of the sub deck and attaching the front upper arms and front lower arms. So working our way through the main parts of the suspension. All right, jump back in it. All right, so got the front arms together. Next is the uprights, and then from there we will add the suspension in, and then we attach the two pieces together. Go grab some cookies from in the house, fresh baked, and then I'll be back on to the next step. Alright, so I got all the coilovers on, got both parts of the chassis together, everything's snug, bumpers on, all four corners are together. There's a little slop in the back. I had read about the slop on all four corners. Not too bad, but I'll leave it up to him to decide how much is too much. But yeah. So the next part I'm going to do, I'm going to take the wheels, repaint them, and start getting the body prepped to get cut out, painted. Alright, let's do some painting. TS27 matte white on the Porsche wheel faces. It's white. Paint is warm. Faces are warm. Don't let me being all bundled up fool you. Gonna hit the backs just so there's no red that shows through. good first coat. Let these come back in here and dry. Alright, let those dry for a little while. Come back for another coat. In that time, I'm going to work on prepping the Porsche body. Getting the stickers put on the windows and all that. Which I'm going to take in the house for the sheer fact of convenience. Coat number 2. This door open so I don't die. Alright, this is the third coat, which I flipped them on their side so I can get better. Oop, fall on my ass. Back to the room for drying in the heat. That's going to be all for this video. If you want to see the rest of the build, please like and subscribe. I'd love to continue doing more of these. This will be probably the 10th body I've painted total. I've got a few others to do right now, but can't wait to see how this one turns out, especially being a mid-engine rear-wheel drive car. The testing is going to be fun. All right, until next time.